Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. Let us see what is coming up, guys. We'll be picking a few cards, guys, from this deck, and we'll be picking few cards from the Wisdom Oracle deck and one card from the Angel deck. So this is for your daily energies, guys, Gemini. So these are for your daily energies, Gemini, and we'll be picking two cards from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So those cards will relate to your work situation and your relationship, guys. This is for your work situation, Gemini, and this is for your relationship. And I'll be picking one card from the Angel deck. So that is the Angel's guidance for us, guys. So we'll turn the cards for the daily reading now, guys. Four of Cups, Seven of Cups, Six of Wands, with these cards, Gemini, I see here that you are feeling successful today in certain ventures. Maybe this may relate to your work situation or your relationship. You are feeling successful today because of the choice that you have made, and you feel certain goals have come. Whatever achievements that you want to have, you are seeing those achievements coming towards you, and you are feeling really happy for it. Things are going in a happy way, and maybe for some of you all, you think that all this success is because of your work, and maybe it is time to realize that other people have also helped you in the success, guys, and you need to give credit for that also. And maybe some of you all, you may be thinking too much about something. You are thinking too much. You are deep in your thoughts, maybe some concerns that you have. This may be regarding your relationship or some career decisions, and you are not seeing what is coming towards you, what is being offered to you, towards you. Some changes are coming towards you, but you are not aware of that because you are simply absorbed in your own world. Maybe you have lots of dreams, you have lots of fantasies, and you are thinking how to make those manifest, and you are thinking of the path to reach those goals. So some desires may be there. That may be the reason that you are absorbed in your thoughts, guys, and you feel you can reach those dreams today, and you are thinking of a way to do it. So you are thinking deeply within yourself, and you are not aware of the changes that are coming towards you. This may be a person approaching you, or this may be your person coming with a deep commitment, but you are not aware of that. That is what I see here, guys. So let us see what are these cards for your career. What is the oracle's guidance? We'll turn the card now. Flexible. Gemini, with this card, the oracle's guidance message, guys, maybe in your work situation, you may have a particular vision of how your work should go, what is the path and what choices you need to take. But sometimes our life has a better plan, guys. So you may get some opportunities which are not in your imagination. So today you need to be really flexible. Remind yourself that when you bend a little, things will go for a different change, a positive change. You will be able to increase your possibilities of that success in your work, guys. and whatever results that you are getting. So that is what is the oracle's guidance. So we were seeing that some new offers coming towards you guys. So maybe it is not up to your expectation, or maybe it is not what you have dreamt for, but when you take up these opportunities which are coming towards you, which is simply not in your imagination, which is out of your imagination, but something good may come out of it. That is what is the oracle's guidance. So you need to be really flexible. So what you are accepting today, guys. Let us see what is the card for your relationship, Gemini. Thinker. With this card, guys, again, Gemini, we were speaking about some fantasies that you are having with the previous cards. Here the oracle's guidance for you all is that you need to be really analytical and logical today. Love is not logical, but when you are choosing a person in this relationship, you have to have that common ground where you will be able to connect with the other person. So you will be able to build that relationship with that mutual understanding, maybe some common ground, maybe similar work situation or hobbies, something you both are interested in, some activities. So that will help you to get that understanding with each other. But if you do not find that common thing to work with in your relationship, and you don't have that compatibility in your relationship, you should not force it. You should wait for those people with whom you can have that good relationship with, guys. So if that is not there, you should not fantasize about this relationship. Facts are facts. So if this person is not the one with that deep understanding with you, you should not indulge it as you do in a fantasy. You should be very logical. That is what this card is guiding you with. So you need to you should not force this relationship to work, guys, and you have to let others speak to you, like what are they and what is their intention. You should not force this relationship into them. So they should also come into this relationship willingly. So that is the oracle's guidance for you all, guys. So such an apt guidance for your work situation and your relationship, Gemini. Let us see what is the angel's guidance for us, guys. Withdraw. So with this card, guys, the angel's guidance for you is that you need to withdraw from this world. It means not moving away from your situation, not running away. It just means giving you temporary time, just disengaging from your situation mentally, not physically, guys. So when you do that, when you view things objectively from a different perspective, you will see things in a different way, guys. So when you do that, you give an opportunity to see your situation as a third person. When you do that, you will get better clarity of your situation. You don't have to judge, you just need to observe and allow the thoughts flow in you. So when that happens, you will just realize what is your situation and what is the solution for that situation. So when you do that, you will be able to get that knowledge about your situation and what you need to do in your life, guys, Gemini. So that is what the angels are guiding us with today, guys, and that is the reading for your Gemini. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Gemini.